Hey, outdoor people. Alright, I'm gonna make an alcohol stove. So I just need a tin can, a drink can, and I'm going to cut it in half, somewhat in half. So previously I saw this post on Facebook. Donald Pang was using this alcohol stove. I wanted one, but I can't bring myself to buy one, so I'll make one. Alright, so this design is a very simple one. No drilling required, and probably you can make one with a multi-tool. Try to make the cut as smooth as possible. I don't want it to look nasty. Okay, now I'll make the ridges on the top side of the alcohol stove. These ridges will allow the flames to go through the sides, not from the top. Okay, some minor adjustments on the height of the bottom part. Quick work with the marker pen. Hope this COVID-19 situation ends. I really wanna field test this, make tea, noodles, or hot shower. Right, I'm stretching it out a little bit so it can have a snug fit. Pretty tight. Okay, I'm happy. So I'll make a opening up top. Be easier to put the alcohol in. Attempted to tidy it up, but yeah, who cares? Done. Alright, testing it out. So I'll need alcohol. Just a little bit, I guess. This is my first time using an alcohol stove, so bear with me. I'll soon figure out that it's quite challenging to light it up just by using a lighter. So my understanding is I need to raise the temperature of the alcohol so it can have an optimal burn before I put anything on top. So I'm using a satay stick, light it up on one end and try to light my alcohol stove. It takes quite a while. Bear with me, okay? Comment below what you think of my alcohol stove, okay? while you're at it, punch the subscribe button as well. Help a brother out. And now we have an optimal flame. I'm not sure if it's optimal, but let's let it burn a little longer before we put anything on top. Try to boil some water, okay? Oh, I like the flame, man. I like how it looks. Yeah. Okay. Now we can put the metal mug on top and allow it to boil. Rest nicely on top of the alcohol stove. No problem at all. No sweating, man. DIY alcohol stove. Cheap, good. Yeah, it works. Hey. A bit slanted. No problem. Now we can make tea. Okay. How to put out the fire? If you have another tin can laying around, you can cut it out and use it as a cover. You can snuff out the flame. Alright. I hope you like the video. Subscribe and like. I'll try to make more of this sort of content, okay? DIY alcohol stove. See ya!